Alright, so here's the blind stab in the dark. Right now I have a piece that has a really thin base, and anytime that I'm bridging something like this where I have a technical opening that has no support structure, I'll always print a base. Also, I told you to turn the fan on low. Look what happened. Okay, look at the goop on the top. It didn't have enough time. And keep in mind, this is a very small piece. Okay, so it did not have enough time to cool in this general location. Alright, now what we're going to do is keep printing this until it improves so much that it's perfect. How would I go about doing that? Well, let's go back to the actual slicing program. Okay, let's go to Slicer. For smaller pieces like this, let's say there's just one of them, so it doesn't have enough time to cool, we could do a few things. One, we could turn the fan up on high, that helps. And then another thing we could do is go to filament and see where the temperature is 230. Okay, for smaller pieces that are singled, let's try 220. Okay, so we're lowering the degrees down to 10 points. Okay, I'm going to keep continuing with the 0.45 for the thin wall. And this time I'm going to wait for the first two layers and then turn the fan on. Alright, so let's export that. Good. Now what I'm going to do is hit print and run in the other room and spray down the printer with hairspray. For each time that I do print, I make sure I sand the bed just a little bit and then spray it with hairspray, as you know if you were in the class. So that's one of the things. Alright, so I'll see you in the next video where we look at the results.